Yo, what's up, winners? My name is Carlos and I am your online personal trainer, and today I'm going to share with you how to add more health benefits into your morning waffles. Let's get started with the ingredients. Alright guys, so we got all our ingredients here. The first thing you need is going to be some whole wheat flour, okay? You're also going to need your baking powder to kind of help those waffles rise. We're going to add a little bit of vanilla extract for some flavor. Then we got some chia seeds here and flax seeds for extra health benefits. This is like a superfood here. This is going to be high in omega-3s, okay? Then you also need your grapeseed oil. And then we're going to use this Ripple high protein plant-based milk also in this recipe. All right, y'all, so we got all our ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and pour in about 2 cups of milk. All right, perfect. You got 2 cups of milk. The next thing you want to do is add in about 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Next, you're going to add just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, so now we just want to whisk everything together. And this is also egg-free, it's dairy-free, so you're looking for something more plant-based, this is the way to go. All right, so we got that in there. All right, the next thing we want to do, we want to do about 2 to 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour, right? Whole wheat flour. It's going to add some fiber, more fiber into our waffles here. So I'm just using a 1/4 cup, so I'm going to do about 7 to 8 scoops of that. All right, so we just dropped in 7 scoops, 1/4 cups of whole wheat flour. The next thing we're gonna do is gonna put about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of baking powder. All right, 1 to 2 teaspoons. All right, next we're gonna sweeten these waffles up some with some coconut sugar. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of that. All right, so now we're doing about 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Again, this is gonna add those healthy omega-3s into our waffles, which is good. It's a healthy fat, which is great for decreasing cholesterol, great for brain health, heart health, all that stuff, all right? Then the next thing we're gonna do is about 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. This is another superfood, very high in omega-3s and also high in fiber, all right? Let's do that. Perfect. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and blend everything together. Now, if this mixture tends to thicken up quite a bit, then just add a little bit more milk to it. That's all you need to do. And I'll show you what consistency you wanna look for once it's done. Right now, you can kind of tell it's gonna be a little thick, so I'm probably add a little bit more milk to mine to loosen it up some, because I don't want my waffles to be too dense. I like my waffles to be real soft in the middle, a little crispy on the outside. How do y'all like y'all waffles? Let me know in the comments below. All right, do you like them a little dense, or you like them kind of airy and fluffy in the middle? All right, guys, we're gonna add some more milk to this to kind of loosen up that mixture. It's still a little bit too dense for me. I like it a little loose, so right there is still a little bit too dense. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. And I might add a little bit more oil to this too. So you want to get a little bit of an arm workout, go ahead and grab out that old school whisk and do it yourself. Don't use the electronic mixer. All right, guys, right there's the consistency I'm looking for, just nice and smooth. You see how it just drops off the spatula so nice and easy. All right, let's go ahead and pour it up into our waffle maker now. I'm gonna spray it down with a little bit of oil just so the waffles don't stick. That is our waffle recipe. Let's give it a taste test. We got the nice crispiness on the outside. We also have that nice fluffiness in the middle. Yep. This is on point. You get that sweetness from the coconut sugar. Of course, the sweetness from the maple syrup too. I like to top mine off with a little bit of maple syrup. And I also top it off with some of this plant-based avocado butter. Has a lot of flavor on top. But again, you get a little hint of that coconut sugar in there. A little taste of that flaxseed because they have a little bit of a nutty flavor to it. But this right here again, on point. Great flavor. Try it out whenever you get a chance. Let me know in the comments below. Will you try this recipe the next time you make waffles? Let's get it. Let's win. Peace.